There are more molecules in a cup of water than there are cups of water in all the world's ocean. Because of centrifugal forces, you weigh a little bit less on the equator than you do anywhere else on Earth. And if Earth spun once per 90 minutes, the centrifugal force will be so great that you would be floating above the ground, never touching the surface. The moon is spiraling away from Earth at a rate of about 2.5 inches per year. It's kind of cool that in Game of Thrones we have 2 dragons with 2 different colored breaths. Turns out astrophysically, blue flame is at least 3 times hotter than red flame. The act of dying while falling into a black hole is called spaghettification. Spaghetti. Planet Venus is so hot, if you took an uncooked pizza, put it on the windowsill, it would cook in 3 seconds. There are more molecules of air in a breath of air that you take than there are breaths of air in all the world's atmosphere. There's a far side of the moon, but there is no dark side of the moon. All sides receive sunlight throughout the month. So Pink Floyd's 1973 album, The Dark Side of the Moon, was an abomination of scientific truths. I've been spending decades since then undoing this misinformation. If dogs have such a good sense of smell, why do they have to put their nose into each other's butt to figure out what's going on there? That's just odd to me. You want some more? There are more bacteria in 1 centimeter of your lower colon than there are human beings who have ever been born. The rotation rate of the Earth is not constant. It is slowing down, caused by the action of the moon. Every now and then, we need to add a leap second to compensate for this. Hard to believe, but true. In 5 billion years, the sun will expand and engulf the entire orbits of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Earth will be a charred ember descending down into the cosmic crucible that is the sun's core as we vaporize to our death. Have a nice day.